Hi, I am Jishnu Jayaprakash and this is my app development project as part of the IIT Madras BSc degree program. This is a multi-user platform where customers can find professionals offering various services, book them for a specific date and get the job done. Users can have different roles like customers, professionals and admin. The admin manages the user activities and regulates the app. For now, there are no users except for the admin, which is created when the app is set up. This is the admin dashboard. Here admin can create and edit services, view registered professionals, approve them and manage service requests and issues. Since no users are registered yet, these sections are empty. Now let's add a new service. Now I have quickly created two new services. When a professional registers in this platform, they can select one of these services created by the admin. Now the service is added. The admin can edit the service later if needed, such as changing the base price or the description through this edit button. If the admin wants to stop offering a service, they can deactivate it, which is like a soft delete functionality. Now let's open a different tab and create some user accounts. A user can either register as a customer or a professional. Let's first look at the customer registration. For a customer to register and create an account, he'll have to provide some basic informations like username, name, address, phone number and pin code. And the profile picture here is optional. So a new customer account is created. Now let's log in as this customer. On the landing page, they can see available services and their service booking history, which is empty for now. Also, customers can edit their profile from here. For example, I'll change the profile picture now. And any profile change require password. And also the users can change their password from here, which I won't be doing right now. Now you can see that the profile picture is updated, and now let's look at the professional account registration. I will do that in a different tab so that I can maintain the admin and customer session separately. To register as a professional, the user must provide some personal information as well as select the service that he is willing to provide from this drop down menu. You can see that these are the services that were created by the admin. And after selecting a particular service, its base price will be shown here. The professional can set an extra price if he desires. They must also provide a business name, description and their experience with the relevant document or a resume. Let us register this professional. By default, the professional will be inactive until the admin verifies their document and approves them. If the professional tries to log in before approval, they will see a warning message. Let's try that now. The landing page shows the current and upcoming service requests, which are empty for now, and there is a warning message about the activation of the account. Now let's go to the admin portal and activate this account so that the warning messages disappear. Also, if the professional choose to update their profile, specifically if any columns related to the service, then the account will automatically be deactivated and will require a re-verification or re-approval from the admin. Now I will create few more professional accounts just for the ease of explanation for the upcoming features. I have created two more professional accounts, and from the admin's dashboard the admin can view the documents that these professionals have uploaded and approve or activate those accounts. Now let us go back to the customer dashboard and see how a service booking is done. On the landing page, they can view the list of the professionals for each services through this explore link. Alternatively, they can search for the professionals also, which we will see later. Now let's go back to the explore link. After finding the right professional, the customer can book a service for a future date and add details about the service needed in this remarks section. Once the booking is made, the service request appears on the customer dashboard, the admin's dashboard, as well as the professional's dashboard. After the customer requests the service, it is in the pending state, and the customer can edit or cancel the request before the professional accepts or rejects it. Let's say the professional chooses to accept this one. Once accepted by the professional, the request progresses. Let's go back to the customer's dashboard, and the status here also got updated to the accepted state. Now the customers cannot edit the request, but they can close it after the professional completes the task, or the professional can also close it after completion on the service date. Please note that the professional can close the accepted request only on the service date. Now here in the professional dashboard you can see that there is no close button here, but if it was in the today's service section there would have been a close button. I'll quickly create one more service request to demonstrate this. Here I have created a new service request for today, and the professional have also accepted the same service request. Now the close button appears here because it is in the today service section, which means the professional can close the accepted request only on the service date. Now let us close this service request, and once the service request is closed, the status of the service request progresses to the completed state, and for every completed service request the customer can leave a review and a rating through this view section. Also, either a customer or professional can raise an issue regarding a service at any stage of the request. Let me show you an example from the customer side. To raise an issue, let's go to the view section of this particular service request and then click on the raise issue. And admin will also be able to see the same in his dashboard. Then the admin can go to this view section to see who raised the issue, so that he can contact the person who raised the issue and ask them to resolve the issue and ask them to close it. So let's say the issue has been resolved, and then the admin will ask the customer to close the issue, and the customer can go back to the same section and close the issue. Here I have created some more service requests from the same customer to multiple professionals, and I have accepted some of them and marked some of them as completed, and did drop some reviews and ratings also. Next, let us look at the search functionality. All three users have the search functionality. Now let us look at the search functionality of admin. Admin can search for service, customer, professional, or service request. Now let us go to the customer's search functionality. Customer can search the professionals by pin code, name, or name of service, and they can book the service from here also. Now let us go to the search functionality of the professional. A professional can search for received service request by customer name or date of service. Now let us look at the summary of the professional. For the professional, we can see a bar graph of the received ratings, and also we can see the average rating of this particular professional, and we can see the count of the pending request and the completed request as well. Now let us go to the summary of the admin. Yes. Admin can see the rating summary and the service status summary for all users, and also they can see the count of open issues. Now you might have noticed that the rating of all the professionals are different in this platform. So if we search for the professionals from the customer side, then we should get a result sorted according to the rating. Let's see that. So we are here at the customer's dashboard, and we can see that Thor is in the first place and Zeus is in the second place. That is according to their ratings. Also, as we have discussed earlier, the admin can choose to deactivate a service, and in such cases all the professionals who provide the same service will be deactivated. They are deactivated, and if the admin by mistakenly try to activate one of them, it will throw an error saying that the service is not active. Also, there is a REST API endpoint that can provide the list of available services and the number of customers on the platform for each service. This is that endpoint. This demo showcases the multi-user platform where customers can find professionals, book services, and track service requests. Professionals manage service offerings and handle requests, while the admin approve users and resolve issues. Both customers and professionals can raise issues which the admin addresses. All users have the search and summary feature to track service status and ratings. Thank you for watching.